Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox website not loading. All right, let's begin. First, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser and go to Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security and then Delete Browsing Data. Choose All Time, make sure browsing history and cookies and other site data are selected and click Delete Data. After this, check if Roblox loads. If it's still not working, type roblox.com in the address bar, click the icon next to it and select Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions and click Reset Permissions, then reload the page. Next, go back to Settings, Privacy and Security, make sure Standard Protection is on, and enable Use Secure DNS with Google Public DNS. If Roblox is blocked, install a free VPN from the Chrome Web Store, add the extension, pin it, and turn it on. Once connected, refresh Roblox. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox website not loading. That's it for this video. Thanks.